Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there were two men whose lives took different paths. Amit, a wealthy landowner, and Raj, a humble farmer struggling to make ends meet. Amit, born into affluence, lived in a grand mansion surrounded by sprawling fields and tended to by a team of servants. His wealth was evident in the opulence of his life, yet loneliness lingered in the vastness of his mansion. Raj, on the other hand, owned a modest piece of land, and each day was a laborious journey to ensure his family had enough to eat. His house was simple, and the joy he found was in the laughter of his children and the smell of freshly tilled soil. One fateful day, a severe drought struck the village, casting a shadow over the once flourishing fields. Amit's vast estate, dependent on irrigation, suffered a significant blow. His once lush fields withered, and the abundance he had known disappeared. Raj faced a similar fate, but his connection to the land and years of resilience taught him to adapt. With a heavy heart, Amit approached Raj, acknowledging his previous indifference to the struggles of the less fortunate. In this moment of shared adversity, a remarkable transformation occurred. Amit, once distanced by his wealth, and Raj, who had known the hardships of scarcity, found common ground. Together, they worked to implement water conservation methods that benefited the entire village. As the seasons changed, so did the fate of the village. The once arid fields now flourished, and the laughter of children echoed through the rejuvenated landscape. Amit discovered the joy of shared success, and Raj felt a sense of empowerment that went beyond the boundaries of his small farm. The friendship between Amit and Raj became a symbol of unity and compassion. The rich man learned that wealth's true value lies in its ability to uplift others, while the poor man realized the strength within his community. In the end, the village thrived not just because of the abundance of rain, but because the hearts of its inhabitants had become interconnected. The tale of Amit and Raj echoed through generations, a timeless reminder that the richness of the human spirit transcends the boundaries of wealth and status.